Hey guys, this is Jespernissenseo from YACSS, and in this video I'm just going to show you the latest update to YACSS, and that is the AI image generator. So what we did is that we just added support for a platform called Replicate. And Replicate is a platform that is similar to Openrouter, and what that means is that you go to Replicate, create an account. Let me actually just find Replicate. Here it is. So you create an account here, and you go into manage your account, and then you create an API key, and then you insert that into YACSS. And what that then accomplishes is that when you click on AI image generator here, you can then choose between, you can see here I added OpenAI, of course. You can then choose between all of the image models that Replicate has connected to. So instead of me doing the hard work of connecting to all of the various image models, I can just do one thing, and that is connect to Replicate. And you can also do one thing, and that is to create an account in Replicate and insert your API key. So you can see here I can choose between the Google models, Imagen 3, Black Forest, Flux Pro, Stability AI, Recraft, Ideogram, and Luma Photon. So these are the models that supported right now. And the way that it works is that you insert a prompt. So it's not just a keyword, like tree service. That's not recommended anymore. So what's recommended is that you write in clear text what it is that you want, because it gives you better results. And we actually just used this to this technology to actually create this Facebook post in the Schema Writer, in the official Schema Writer page, the official page for Schema Writer. So Oliver, he created this post. He created this image. This image is created using the model called Google Imagen. And you can see that it costs $0.05 per image. So the prompt that he used is this guy here. A person who's looking at his computer with the text, "Did you know?" in frustration with hands on his head from back view. So let's see, and let me just create 5 variants, so then I can take the best variant. So that's what he did, and creating the text was also easy. He asked ChatGPT to read the text on the homepage of Schema Writer, and then asked it to create a post, a "Did you know" post, and then it came up with this. So all of this is AI, and this image is also AI, but it is, did you know most websites don't use schema markup even though it can drastically improve how Google understands and ranks your content? It is relevant, but it's still created by AI, of course, with human input. Anyway, let's get back to YACSS. So these are the examples that I got here, and so it's did you know? Actually, I like the version that Oliver he created better, but. So this is the possibility that you have now in YACSS, and I really like this. I'm really going to play with this, because especially we're now having a strategy where we're going to post more in our Facebook pages, not the groups, but the pages, the official pages for YACSS and for Schema Writer, and also a new tool that I'm working on. I'm not going to disclose yet what that is, but anyway, with Schema Writer and YACSS, we are going to post more, and with the help of AI tools like the image generator and the content generator and ChatGPT, of course, it can be easier. And this image generation feature is also built into the mass page builder. Go down to image SEO and select your model. Enter your prompt and how many images. And same thing with the AI website. Click AI website, go down to image SEO, and select model and enter your prompt. So this is a huge improvement when you compare it to DALL-E, because first when we integrated and then implemented the image generator in YACSS, we had the OpenAI DALL-E model. That was the only one we had. And we still have that, but we all know that DALL-E it does generate AI images, but they are also not very good. So let me show you another example I made yesterday in the weekend. I used Ideogram. I really like this. Create me an image of a luxury car on a road in the nature. Photorealistic. Photorealistic. Let's grab 5 variants. So ideogram. I really like the output of ideogram. Also, it gives kind of like a very realistic vibe, I think. So they have really come a long way, these image generation models, when you compare it to DALL-E. And you can see here that this guy here looks like my future car. I don't know what it is. Looks like, is it Rolls Royce, something like that. But anyway, I really like this. So it's just an update for you that we now have these AI images, and I think it's Stack Builder. It's also implemented. Let me just check. Dude, yeah, it's also here. And let me check in Page Builder. Actually, I don't know because I didn't test. So let's see here. Image. Okay, so we need to implement it in Page Builder also. I can see on this, yeah, Page Builder, it's coming also in Page Builder. So that was the update from me with regards to AI images in YACSS. I hope you enjoyed, guys. I'm going to really use this. And one last thing is that we know that in the API we're using replicate. We know we can actually determine the output size of the images. The only issue with that is that each model has different parameters. So we are going to add context dependent drop down with size options. So if you're wondering why is there no size option, they are all square. Well, that is because this is first version, but we are going to improve this. So in the next day or two, I'm going to add these drop down with the so you can actually determine the size output. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, guys. Take care.